Hello, I hope you are well. Today we learn how to install WordPress in liveserver. For that we need two things: one WordPress files, two hosting or CPanel login access. Go to browser, then write down WordPress, then click on download wordpress.org. Click here, click on download WordPress 6.11. I already downloaded it, so I should skip it. Then we need hosting or CPanel login access. Write down your domain name, then 2083. If you have not CPanel information, go to your hosting, then you will get the info. Click enter, then login. Click on file manager. If you want to install WordPress in your main domain, then click on public_HTML and upload the WordPress file here. But I want to install WordPress in wplive.webproductit.com. It is my subdomain. Click here, then upload the file here. Click on upload, select files, select the WordPress files which we was downloaded. Select, then open. It will take some seconds, so we should wait. After successfully imported the file, you will see the color. Then go to the file manager, then reload. Then select the area. Look at that, here has the file. So right click on the file, then extract, then extract files, then close. Then go to the WordPress, select all, then right click, then move, then remove the WordPress because we need it in root directory. Click on move files. Okay, now go to WP Live, then remove the WordPress 6.1.zip, then remove the WordPress. Right click, then delete, skip the task, click on confirm. Write your domain name, look at that, select the language English or your own language, click on continue. Here it show welcome to WordPress. In this time we need database name, database username, database password, database host and table prefix. For that we should go to CPanel, then click on MySQL and database, create a new database, WP Live. You can write your own database name, you can write anything here. Then click on create database, then copy the database name, go to any text files, then here paste it. Then go back, Then create a user for the database. Add new user. Then password, generate a password. Copy the password. Paste here. I recommend you use a strong password. Click on create user. Then copy the user. Paste here. In this time, we should connect the user with our database. Go to the bottom, add user to database. Select the user. Select the database. Click on add. Then go to select on all privileges. Then make changes. Then go to WordPress setup and configuration. Then click on let's go. Write your database name. Paste here. Then username. Copy. Then paste. Then write your user password. Copy the password and paste. Database host, it is always local host. Table prefix, I recommend you change it. After that, click on submit. Okay, look at that. It show alright Sparky. You have made it though this part of the installation. Click on run the installation. Then write here site title. Click your username. Here use a username which we will use to log in our WordPress backend. Then copy the username. Paste here. Then copy the password. Paste here. Your email. Search engine visibility, select it because we do not want to show the site in Google. If you want to show the site in Google, then unselect it. Click on install WordPress. Now click on login. Okay, use the username. Use the password. Then paste. Click on login. Okay, we successfully installed our WordPress in liveserver. I hope the video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.